Hello friends, I am Sudipto and this is Coding Knowledge. Today we are going to see another statement which is switch case statement. Switch case is used generally in the case when we have multiple options and we have to perform multiple tasks according to multiple options. So that's why we use switch case statements. Today I am also show you how you can code with switch case statement, and I am show you first the format of switch case. So you can see here is the format of switch case. That you can see that I have written switch in bracket expression. This expression means the option which we have to evaluate based on our requirements. And then in scope or in braces of switch we have to write case expression number, then whatever the statement we have to run, and then break. Same as we have to write case expression 2. Expressions means what we have option or what option we will code for the requirements. I will told you what the break option or what the break statement is doing, and you can see in the last line I have written default. Default means if any user give the option or any option is not the required option, then what performance will do, it will decided by the default statement. Now we are going to see a program. We will do a program which will perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division according to our requirements. If we want addition in the program, we will do addition or we will perform addition for this. If we want subtraction, we will perform subtraction for this as our requirements basically. So but we will do it in one program. So how we can do it? Now I will go to the program. So you can see that I am writing hash include stdio.h, and then in void main I have declared int a, b, c and n. So what will they do? A, b will be taken by us programmer from the user. So that's why I am writing enter first number, and then I scan the number and then the second number in b, and I am writing printf enter choice. Enter choice means I have to do some menu and then I will use switch case. So in basis of our choice which I have written that switch in bracket expression, this is that scanf %d %n which we will taken from the user, this number will perform in the space of number, any integer number. We also take any character and we will ask user to give the character for the particular performance. Now I am writing switch in bracket n. This n will 1 or 2 or 3, whatever we will give in this line, that printf enter the choice, whatever we will give the number will that. So switch n, and then case 1, this 1 represents the n. So what the n will, the number will go to the particular case we are giving the number to the case. So if the user give the value of n is 1, then the statement will directly perform in case 1, and if it is 2, then it will go to case number 2. If it will 3, then it will go to case number 3. If it will 4, then it will go to case number 4, and if out of 1 2 3 4 user will give anything, so this will be a default statement. Now you are seeing that, see, I have written in under case 1 c equal to a plus b, printf %d plus %d equal to %d and comma a b c. So what it will print, that a plus b what is value of a plus what is value of b equal to what is the summation, because we have written c equal to a plus b, and in the same way we have written k in case 2, case c equal to a minus b, percent d minus percent d, and in the same way c equal to a star b in case 3, and in case 4 c equal to a divided by b, and we will give default value. What we will do in default? We will do the exit function. What the exit function do? It will forcefully stop this program. If any default value will be given by the user, then it will stop the program with exit. Now I am saving the program. Now for it the program being user friendly, I am writing I am designing a menu which will be printed additionally. So I am writing that printf menu, and in number 1 option it will print addition, number 2 option it will print subtraction, number 3 option it will print multiplication, number 4 option it will print division. So why we are doing that? For the code being user friendly. If we design this menu, this is actually a menu driven program. We will say this program a menu driven program because we are providing a menu in the console for the user. If user see that, he will understand that what choice he or she has. So he will understand by this menu that in 1 number option there is addition option, in 2 there is subtraction, in 3 there is multiplication, in 4 there is division, and in 5 number we will give him the exit option. Exit option also do the default statement. So if we ask the user to get a choice, if user want to do addition, then he or she has to give 1. If they want subtraction, they have to give 2. Now I am compiling this. Now you can see there is not any error but an warning for us. So what is the warning? I have used here exit function. So exit function is a predefined function and it is in library function stdlib.h. I will explain the library function later. You have to know this, that stdlib.h holds, this is a library file and it holds exit 0 and a common function getch. Generally getch is not used in def C++, but when we will do a program in turbo C++, there we need the getch function for holding the console screen. By default in def C++, there is a option predefinedly that the console will be holded by the compiler or by the OS, but in turbo C++ there is no predefined function, there is no predefined definition that can hold the console. So we have to use their getch function in including stdlib.h library file, because getch function belongs to stdlib.h library function. Now you can see here the menu is coming and then the console is asking for the input, the choice, and I have given 1 number choice, so it is doing 36 plus 25 equal to 61, and after it, as we have used exit, it is want to take another input. What is getch is working? Getch is holding there for taking an input, any keyword or anything or any key from keyboard, it has to give a input basically. Now if I don't give the break statement in all the cases, what it will do? Or you can ask me what the break statement is doing. I will show you that what the break statement is doing. You can see if I have given any of the option, it is doing all the performance. Why? Because I have not given any break statement. Break statement do that whatever the code is running, in which line break is come, or in which line break will come. From this line the program execution will be over. After the break statement, in a scope after the break statement, code line will be executed. Now I have given the break again, and you can see the program is running only the choice I have given or the user will give. And what will do the exit? You can see if I give any another number or the fifth number operation, it will not print anything, it will automatically exit the program. I am just designing the program for a view. Now I am doing the operations using same number 69 and 3. You can see I have performed 69 plus 3, it is printing 72, then 69 minus 3, it is printing 63, and 69 into 3 equal to 207, and 69 divided by 3, it is printing 23. Now if I do the exit option or any other number I will give, the program will stop executing here. So that is for today. That's how switch case works. You can try some other program using switch case. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, you can hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you will face any problem doing this program, you can comment me below. I will try to solve your problem, and share with your friends who is willing to learn coding from basic. Thank you very much.